So many people don't question me for my DM before. They go ask me, is cybersecurity hard? What do you think? Yes, he had die. But no be as you take the thing, the hardness. Make I explain and give you. Before that, na me Amos Pikings, the tech prophet. Oh yeah, they will me. Cybersecurity no hard like in that sense. So we go talk say e hard like spiritual warfare. No be so. E hard because you dey protect systems wey be say na human beings build am. And wetin be the problem with human being? We are error prone. We feel tired. Something feel nothing dey always dey be 100% because of course we get error margin. And anything where human being build, human being fit forget plenty things. For example, developer fit forget validation. DevOps or admin fit forget to configure server properly. User fit even go use password 123. Yes. Company themselves fit expose database. Or na intent fit mistakenly go push API key put for Git for GitHub. Or na those ones where they use AI. Exactly. CEO sef fit go click say this email na phishing email. All because the email say urgent invoice attached. You see? And the truth be say attackers no need 10 mistakes. Attacker just need one. You as security person or ma say defender, you dey worry about everything because na your business. You go worry about network, server, cloud, application, database, even API, password, access control, even logs, sometimes even backups. In fact, not sometimes, all the time. You go even need to worry about human beings wey no dey hear word. You see why I can't say yes, e hard. Now, in that respect, cybersecurity take hard. As far as I am concerned, now the last one wey I talk, so that human being, so now it be the hardest vulnerability wey dey. Because if you decide to say yes, you patch server, yes, that works. I want a patch on Tunde where they click link anyhow for WhatsApp. This is why cybersecurity is hard. But make I tell you where beginners they miss am. Cybersecurity no be one thing. Cybersecurity don't mean say you don't install Kali Linux. Now you talk say, hey, you don't be security engineer. They play. I know many people waited that space, making they calm down. Now they call prophet of Nmap. Cybersecurity get many lanes. I don't do video on them before when I talk about types of cybersecurity. Go via if now YouTube they watch this video, probably you see it somewhere here. I'll put the card somewhere here. You go see where I break down everything and everything where they involve. You go need them. But now I just give you small summary of some of them. Some people they do SOC analyst work. Them they monitor alerts, yes. They read logs. Them they even investigate suspicious activities. Some they even do penetration testing. Now them they test system legally to find vulnerability inside before criminal go come run up. Some people still they do application security. Now them they help developers write code where they go disgrace company in the future. Some people still they do cloud security. They make sure say one storage bucket no they open like public toilet. You see am? And again, some they even do governance, risk and compliance. If you don't know what my content is, you go know say they talk about compliance where. This ones they handle policies, audits, standards, even business risks. Some they do digital forensics. These ones they investigate what happen after the attack done already solved. So before you come they shout cybersecurity hard, ask yourself first, which side of cybersecurity I want enter? You know the funny thing besides I know be cybersecurity engineer. Especially because I don't do plenty cybersecurity content. But algorithm does scatter. I be first software engineer. First. Now there I spread. Before I can't learn work for cybersecurity. Anyways, let's move back past that. Because if you know Sabi networking, you know Sabi Linux, you know understand HTTP, you don't even understand how login works. But you can't go start with advanced active directory exploitation. My guy, now you actually had past the cybersecurity. Because you know if you jump nursery 1, I been now waiting they call now whether na K1, K2, can't go the right WAEC. No. Even hacker get syllable. They get syllables, yes. And here's the real truth. Cybersecurity becomes easier when you understand how systems work. I don't too talk on for my videos. It becomes easier for you. You need to understand how systems work first. You need to understand computer basics. Like From I think from next week, I go do some content for network. I discovered I never touch all those things. DNS, IP, MAC, all those many things. They go deep, small. So that it go just complete. We don't do software engineering, we don't do cybersecurity. Let's move to network so that the whole knowledge go just complete once. I don't tell you that my goal before now. You know the way Indians they. It go hard for you to see an Indian who don't know plenty things about tech. I want make the general population for this country and Africa where we say they will say you know no tech. If they say you know no tech, you go don't know like 50% of tech. You know no tech be that oh. So just by watching my content, you get idea of many things. That's why I want them. You need to understand how internet they work. You need to understand what it be IP address, what it be port, what it be DNS. What happens when you type google.com and press enter? You need to understand those things. What it be cookie, what it be session, or what is even authentication. What is authorization? Some people don't even know say authentication different from authorization. Because many security problem, not just normal engineering problems where we are bad, period. Like for example, broken access control means a person they see what you not supposed to see. SQL injection means say your app go dey trust user input like mumu. No. Phishing means say, I want to put this on. Somebody use packaging to deceive you. I like that one. Ransomware means say they'll put padlock, take lock your own data. They can say make you drop small thing before they give you your own data. It's as they stress your own. Now your data, they say make you pay put for your own. Cybersecurity hard because you must think in two directions. You must think like builder. You must also think like attacker. Builder go say the feature is working. Security person go ask things like working for who? Can user A see user B? Can somebody bypass login? Can old reset password link still work? They say all those things. So I think I wrote them somewhere in my tab. Let me pull it out. If file upload accepts image, can person upload evil file? Of course, yes. If you say they allow me to upload file, person if you upload anything, what if you upload virus? You see? If admin dashboard leaks, waiting go happen. You see am? Anyways, let's move on. That thinking so no be paranoia, no. Na professional suspicion. You know they talk say everybody na thief. No, that's not what you are saying. What you dey just talk now say if thief enter, how far the thief fit go? That is cyber security. Think like thief, but behave like security guard. I made a video like that. I also put it somewhere here. I made a video that explained this entire concept. But Shamo no lie. If you enter cybersecurity because you hear say the salary high, baba, you go suffer, especially if you hate learning, you go suffer well. The field no dey finish. Today, if it be SQL injection. Tomorrow, it go be cloud misconfiguration. Next tomorrow, na supply chain attack. How I take no? Because I dey study am, dey see how everything be. Even me say, they say, After all that, AI don't constantly enter the group chat. So you must be comfortable being a student forever. This cut across all tech field, as far as I'm concerned. I dey tell you. Even the professional, we say he don't get 50 years of experience, Baba, he still get things where he no know. Because technology, they evolve. So, but that one don't mean say you must know everything. No, nobody knows everything. Nobody. So the goal is not to become, say you be Google for human form. No. The goal is actually to build foundation. Ma repeat am. The goal is to build foundation. And then pick a lane. Practice. Document. Grow. Wait till I talk. Write this one. The goal is to first pick a lane. After you don't pick your lane, practice, document, and then grow. For example, start with networking, then learn Linux. This is what they tell you so practically. If you follow on like this, you know, believe where you reach. Learn one programming language. Maybe like say maybe you want to use it gives you understanding of how programming works. Then understand web applications, understand database, then learn common vulnerabilities, then choose your path. Not just go to jump from one YouTube video to another YouTube video. You need to have structure. And if you even go roadmap.sh, go check. Though their list there, they're very scary. But in case you want to get strong structure, go there, roadmap.sh. Go check them. Because I want to believe, and you should say that to yourself, cybersecurity no hard pass you. Abi? Yes. If they give you 1 billion, may you go learn am today, you no go learn am. Exactly. So no go they do scattered learning. No may no be like say village people don't go open. Jira ticket on top of your destiny. I beg. So, final answer. I'm gonna do like who wants to be a millionaire. Is cybersecurity hard? Yes. Man, no like give you. But the sweet thing is, it is learnable. It is hard because systems are complex. It is hard because now human being they do things. It is also hard because attackers are creative and defenders must also be disciplined. But if you build foundation, you practice legally, you document your learning, and then you stop chasing only tools. You notice I don't do video about difference between cybersecurity engineer wey na tools they use and the one where they build tools. I go put the video around here so that you go see them. It go make you understand them properly. So before you call yourself hacker, I bet first understand how internet they work. Okay? Bye.